All right, and here's the finished product on that gazebo from Bellwood. It's got a nice screen in it. It's got an exterior waterproof tent cover, basically, that opens and closes. Real nice little unit here. Got a nice little trim package on the roof. Bottom assembly. It's about five hours for 2 people to put the thing together. And now we're gonna tap con this down to the concrete slab so it won't blow away in the wind. Yeah, holds a nice little table inside, a couple of benches, and homeowner's happy.
Okay.
If you're interested in having a gazebo installed in your yard, give me a call. 773-617-3838. Thanks.